You need to go to Outpost and purchase it. You need to go to Outpost and purchase it.
I'm in Yeeps right now, and they added this back. They added it back. It's pretty beautiful sight to see.
Where did my patches go?
They added a construction site back. It's pretty amazing. I remember when I used to play this map all the time. It was so OG. Yes. Oh, the buck coins. The buck coins are back. That is beautiful. Although clearly,
I didn't know you were chasing.
this is my OG hiding spot. Ooh. Dumpster diver. Cave diver moment. There's that buck coin stash. It's also a buck coin stash video, so if you guys need to find some buck coin stashes, just, stick around and watch this video. Because we're going to be looking for them. 2 seconds later,
what is the rarest pet in this game?
I'm kidding. I'm going to do this all manually. Oh dear, this is going to and I might end up just because I may be OG and remember when it was still the map, but I gotta tell you, I have no clue. I do not remember where any of the buckling stashes are. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I think there's one on the wrecking ball though. There might be one. Sorry about the lag, guys. Anyways. No clue what that did.
You don't have any hair, bro. I need to take out my jacket because I'm so.
I know you're bald.
This map has a lot of void blocks in it. Like every single black block in here is considered a void block.
I can't put the mask on.
But that's because whenever you're around it, it gets dark. I think that's Puff Bros here.
It's just likely gonna be somebody right
Everyone,
I got
everyone, boom. Oh my God! Stop making me pet your cat, bro. Go get him, pets. Go get him, my pet.
Come on.
Hey, yo, what the sigma?
Where did you come from? Oh my God! Slap my cheeks if you want.
Yeah, we're just gonna run around and look for buck coins. There's probably a buck coin stash inside of the house.
I'm not looking at you. Sorry.
The house. So, makes sense.
Hello. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Please. Oh my God. I gotta close my door, bro.
There's some pretty hard buck coin stashes. I'm surprised that they added this map back. I thought it would never come back, to be fair. But you know, it happened. It really happened. It's so beautiful.
What are we gonna do today?
This map is amazing. I love this map, and I'm mad that they removed it, but I'm happy they added it back. I mean, they added it back, so. Well, at least they added it back, am I right?
I was behind him.
Dog, you were behind me and ran into me. You got yourself tagged.
Dude, I freaking flaked the thing.
You missed.
I touched him. I got him.
Get over.
No!
Yeah.
I was this close. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Anyways, guys,
Why'd
this
you
map
do
is
that
so
to me?
You know I touched you.
You're getting reported. You arrested him.
Fucking up my frame.
Hot.
Like we are.
What?
Like magic.
Hot.
Like magic.
Either my hand was going far enough into his head.
Hot.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna keep playing on this OG map.
We're
This
going
map
full
is
naked
so
for this
fun.
round, baby.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, see?
Don't tag me. Don't tag me.
Right over here.
We're gonna go.
Okay, let's do it.
My reaction to finding that. Bro, I would.
Now you're bald.
I don't know where the chase
Huh.
How dare you?
Okay, here's the board
How
body.
dare you make me rip my hair?
It's a board body.
So much. I'm gonna let
Go
go.
down. No, go down. And run. Go, go, go.
We can finally be together.
Dumpster diving moment. Cave diver moment. Let's see what's allowed. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, there's a manual, which is pretty cool.
Guys, next round because.
Alrighty, guys, there's only one more Bitcoin stash I need to find, but no clue where it is. Just gotta flick it. Let's go.
Guys, become Goofy in next round. Become the goofiest avatar.
Okay. No zipper. I want to be no zipper.
I did it though.
Are they over there?
Hot.
I did not even see you, guys.
I'm little Timmy.
You've never seen the naked Yeeps.
I was literally
His bald
running
head
for my
blinds
life.
you. His bald head blinds you. That's why you never see him.
Guys, is
You
this
never
avatar-
expect
is
the
this one
naked
goofy?
Yeep.
I call
His bald
it
little
little
head
Timmy.
distracts you. You never see a naked Yeep. Their bald, shiny
Oh!
head distracts you.
Can somebody give me a slap? All right.
Bro,
Can somebody give me a slap?
bro, somebody, you.
This is my goofiest so far. This is my
Is this
goofiest
goofy?
So far.
Is this goofy?
Yeah. Alright, when the round starts, you guys, you still have to become Goofy. You still have to become Goofy.
Goofy.
Wait,
Okay, Goofy.
wait, Bo.
Guys, am I goofy enough? Goofy? Guys, am I goofy enough?
Yo,
Boom, I'm goofy.
Yo, Bo. Was it goofy like this?
I can win
Guys,
this.
am I goofy?
Yeah.
Guys, am I goofy?
Okay.
Guys, am I goofy?
I call it little Timmy.
Am I goofy?
I
call it. Am I Street Fighter?
Okay, that's good.
Am I goofy?
Oh,
shoot!
I'm the homeless man behind it.
Hey, bro, do you? Wow, so beautiful. You didn't see anything.
Ender pearls don't exist.
No, I shoot that. I shoot Bo. I shoot that person. He got the skippity wristler too. What are you gonna do to me? Oh no, what are you gonna do to me?
Next round, do the prettiest avatar.
It's Timbuktu.
Everyone do the prettiest avatar.
He just got sent flying to Timbuktu.
Is that pretty? Wait, is it pretty with the rainbow one?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Me behind your washing machine.
No?
Giggity.
Guys, next round, we're the prettiest. Does someone own a sled? We don't own a sled. Well, we got this. Want it? No. Oh no, he's in. Ruby.
I'm a homeless man. I got everything over here.
What about
Is he cave diver moment?
guys? We're the prettiest. Yeep. We're the prettiest Yeep. Okay, the best Yeeps of all. Guys, we're the prettiest Yeep next round.
Okay, you're not.
What the freak?
Boom shakalaka.
I mean, oh, boy is a gun. Me down. I should start it with. I mean, no. I call it skills.
All right, let's tag some kids. Let's get.
Why did you?
Come on, man. We gotta go.
Now I'm stuck running. No help, nothing. Just straight skill. I'm just like that, yo.
Come on, can you skill down for a sec? I need to tag you.
Only baldies. I don't want to tag.
Too bad. I tag you. Flick. I had to flick you.
What?
I had to flick you.
Imagine flicking.
What? What's the only way?
I don't have to flick because I'm cool.
I got him.
You're already tagged, my guy.
Yeah, I tagged him. I tagged him. Oogity. Well,
I'm a baldy. Despite what mine.
got him.
I'm sorry, my friend.
I got the last two players. Let's go.
No, you didn't. I got the last player.
No, you
He got
didn't.
me. I got him. Yeah, I did.
Pink, you ran into me.
Pink guy who was secondly tagged. Not you. You're purple.
I tagged the last.
You were one of the first people tagged.
I tagged the last two people.
Pop it.
Did the bubble guy wave my hand? So yeah, you're the same guy.
Damn it.
Pink.
Pink, I have a secret to tell you. Come here. There's an easy getaway spot. Come here. If you're ever in need of a getaway spot, I know a getaway spot. Follow me. Pink. Or not. Get me down.
Dang. Nope, that's not good enough.
He's gonna lead him right to me.
Behind you!
Is there one point stuck here?
Dude, bro, I thought I was gonna get away with it too.
Oh shoot! How many book point stashes?
Come here, boy.
How many book points?
Oh no, please.
I was just like, how am I gonna tag it?
Nowhere. Nowhere.
I came out of nowhere. I came out from
No, I'm
under
the one
you.
who found
I
you.
came out from under you. Ew.
Here's my eardrum. Here's my eardrum.
Probably unreleased. Looks unreleased. Quack.
Rule
Bro
one
slapped him.
of being a ninja. Never stand still. And if that means
Anyways,
you have to take illegal
let's see if
substances,
this is
take illegal
unreleased. 'Cause
substances.
if it is, right, it is unreleased. Let's go.
I'm not blocking you off.
Alright, come here. Right here. Tongue, 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 sour. You gonna do it for where are you? It's okay, I can get off, I can get off. By that black zip line thing, I don't know. I thought this is just in a random spot.
There's the buckling stash.
I need to get a
Where's it?
Oh.
Here's it.
Dude, how the heck did I fail that? Oh. I'm gonna make a gun stick. I failed it. Dang it, bro. I failed it. Stop. Why you keep clapping my cheeks?
Oh, you can.
You gotta reach out so you don't. Yeah. Surprise attack. Oh, hey. Alright. So. Crap. Down it. Fall. Fall and. Yeah. Now right there. You should rub your hands right there. And there should be a button. 690, let's go! 690. You gotta jump off. Jump off where? Yeah, jump off where, huh? I fell. I was stuck in the road. I have some more time. It's worth. Oh, it's not. Alright, come here. Now there should be a button. Now there should be a button out there.
They call it chasing, isn't it?
Click right there.
I'm gonna use my ender pearl.
Click right there. Wait, I just completed the achievement. I completed the achievement. Alright, come here. Well, we gotta get right in the goal.
I just said the N word. Swear.
790. There it is.
Yep.
I have 820. Let's go. I have 820.
Give me a second.
What are you doing?
Alright.
The few. Well, it's a lot.
Are you
It's
showing
about 5
him
here.
buttcoin stashes?
5 was-
I know buttcoin stashes. I know buttcoin stashes.
Yeah, I need to know them all. Are those the first two you've
yeah.
shown him?
Oh yeah.
First there's one right here.
Yeah,
and
I
then
got that.
And let me.
one in here.
Oh,
Penny. Get
Wait,
this one.
wait, I can get around the pair. I can get around
Oh,
the
come here,
pair.
come here. I know where 4 of them
The
are.
button. There's a button.
Where are you?
I'm
And
down
also,
here.
I know only where 4 of them
Can I
are.
suck you, please?
oh, there's one up there.
Alright.
He's fine. That's why the heck
You didn't need to do that, but come
How
on.
do I
Yeah,
get it?
I got this one by complete accident. I was just,
There should be a button somewhere.
It's right over
Do
here.
we have to about
Wait, where is
One-
it?
There's
'Cause
one
I
in
know I
here,
got
though.
it.
There's one in here though. Yeah.
There it is.
There's
I
one-
see it. I see it. I see it.
Oh yeah, that's where it is.
I have every
Yeah,
single
because of how
coin
dark
stack.
these blocks are. Look, I can put my hand
And
in.
also there's one on the crane. There's one on the
Let's
crane.
go.
Ooh, really?
Yeah, there's one on the
Where's the one on the crane?
It's in the crane. It's on the crane.
It's on the crane.
Where?
I don't know how to get to it.
I showed them that one.
Where's the one on the crane? Can somebody show me the one on the crane?
It's on the crane, but I don't know how to get up to the crane. Oh, I forgot.
I'm finding my way.
I'll show you the one on the crane. I'm coming up though.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's right
Dude.
there. It's right there.
Dude!
Where?
Dude!
It's in this crack.
I did it.
Crack. Hold on.
Boom, now I have all buckhorn stashes.
What is it again?
Yay!
Yeah, I have all the buckhorn stashes in this map.
Where?
Alrighty guys, now real quick, since they're not all together, I'll show you guys all the buckhorn stashes for those of you guys watching this video. There's one right here. And this will be the final
I'm going to Blue House.
part of my video. There's one right there. Next one, I gotta go to is up here.
You know how to get the chainsaw?
It's right there. Next one,
Who here knows how to get
second and
chainsaw?
final,
It's on Snow Tech
One
Web. It's on Snow Tech
is
Web.
right over here.
Snow
Button
Tech
should be
Web.
like right here somewhere.
Oh, snow. Okay.
It's right there somewhere.
It's near
Now for the final
bucket.
buckhorn stash. Come over to the dumpster. Final buckhorn stash is right there. That'll be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.